Do you struggle with higher highs that turns out to be just a high and it reverses on you? Do you struggle with analyzing technically markets? Well, it makes lower lows, but in the end, it goes higher. Today, we're also going to talk a bit about nat gas. What is really happening here? What's the deal with nat gas? What is it about even? And we have NFP today. So what is really the thing about markets that we all call stop hunt? Oh, I got stop hunt. Oh, it is bad. It takes out my account. Generally, this is an easy solution to a problem that hits many traders every day, all year round. Now, if you go to more volatile pairs, you will find higher tops and lower bottoms. If you go to lower volatile pairs, you will still find it. It just doesn't hurt that much. So the masterclass today is, why did euro dollar made that lower low and then rose back up again? Aussie dollar made a low as well, but continued higher. In that class there, what looks like a perfect reversal doesn't work out. On euro, new higher high. Wow, that should be buying. I know people bought there. And I'm like, dude, what is wrong with you? So let us go through all those things, and I will try to teach you a couple of tricks here and there, and let's see if we can figure this thing out. So technically, we are supposed to be expert here. We are supposed to know what happens when and where, and kind of predict kind of what should happen and what should not happen and all those things, right? So what is this market? This market is absolutely bearish. No questions asked. In this market is range there. There is a downward sloping range there, okay? There is another range down here, okay? Where am I getting? In an overall trend, we have ranges, we have aggressive falls, we have aggressive falls, we have aggressive falls, and we might have a reversal. Okay, let me do one more. There we go. Okay, so we have ranges, aggressive falls, and we have some bullish attempts here and there. So maybe here, make that maybe in green. It's probably an attempt there and probably an attempt there as well. Okay, so in a bearish trend, bears will sell at bearish prices. Well, that sounds easy, Ivan. It is, but it doesn't look like it when you're on 5-minute chart and you're like, what is going on? So in a trend, you have what I would call a 4-hour, a 1 hour wave movement, support and resistance. And what you are thinking generally is, okay, so if I'm at a 4-hour, this is my support, this is my support, this is my support, this is my support, this is my support. Generally, I used those bottom there. Those bottoms, that's what I used to find future price. Okay, fair enough. So we can do support and resistance there, support and resistance there, support and resistance there, support and resistance there, and support and resistance there. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so what do we do next? We go down to 1 hour. It was the 4-hour one. Okay, so 1 hour looks a bit different, right? because then we can say that this is now turning into support on this side here. This is definitely resistance, but we also see here that market has a support here that could be used or was used at least. We can see now this is used as resistance, by the way. This is now used as support. So there's all of a sudden way more support and resistance lines.